Working on a vauxhall Corsa with a misfire fault. Put my inspection camera into the crankshaft sensors hole at the back of the engine, as you can see here, and then I'm resting the inspection camera on the top of the driver's side wishbone so we can see the actual wheel on the crankshaft and inspect whether there's any damage to it. This vehicle's got this multiple random misfire error code and misfire on cylinder number 4. It's been through a few garages, no one's fixed it yet. The crankshaft sensor has a big gap in it where it allows the ECU to detect where the beginning of top dead centre of cylinder number 1, and then as each one of these little runs goes past, there's a little pulse because of magnetic interference with the Hall effect. If you look at it with an oscilloscope, you get a nice waveform coming off while the engine's running. So it allows the ECU to detect the actual engine speed and any changes in velocity. So the misfire error code could be caused by a damaged run on this little wheel. As we can see, all these runs look fine. The engine's slightly brown inside, which will lead me on to the next sort of inspections, but it all looks fine. And there is the gap that shows us the beginning of cylinder number 1, which also looks fine. This engine runs with a crankshaft sensor and then a camshaft sensor. If you disconnect the camshaft sensor, it runs in a wasted spark and wasted injection mode where it sparks cylinder number 1 at the 3 at the same time, and then 2 and 4 at the same time, and injects 1 and 3 and injects 2 and 4 at the same time. So if you want to work out whether that sensor's alright, you can just disconnect the camshaft and you'll probably find that weird injection miss that it does disappears. That's the actual sensor itself from a dog, and the sensor looks in good condition and it all appears to be working fine.